Chasing M2 Pro is an industrial-grade underwater ROV designed for industrial customers. Aluminum alloy compact body, the ROV weighs only 5.7 kilograms, compact and portable. It can be applied to industrial application scenarios such as underwater search and rescue, water conservancy and hydropower inspection, scientific exploration, hull and dock inspection, aquaculture inspection, etc. Built-in 4K 12-megapixel and EIS camera clearly present the images of the underwater world. One motor can power up to 150 watts and can be omnidirectional. It can achieve 4 knots of current resistance to provide stronger power for underwater operations. Maximum diving depth up to 492 feet. It has 8 thrusters, full vector layout, and can move 360 degrees in all directions. Chasing M2 Pro can be equipped with different professional accessories according to the application scenarios. Chasing M2 Pro can work with high brightness screen control console, which can control the underwater ROV and all accessories. The screen can present clear images in daylight, and the ergonomic key layout makes the operation more professional and convenient. Chasing M2 Pro supports both DC and AC power supply. It is equipped with AC power supply module to realize AC power supply, which can achieve the real infinite power supply and uninterrupted operations. Chasing M2 Pro supports USB-L underwater positioning system, which makes underwater positioning and underwater navigation easy by triangulating and feeding back the real-time underwater position and trajectory of the ROV. It brings great convenience to the search, rescue, and maritime operations in unknown waters. Chasing M2 Pro can be mounted with multi-beam sonar, which can scan underwater structures in a wide range and send back image information. In low visibility waters, the sonar can determine the structure of underwater objects and complete visual verification. In search and rescue scenarios, the sonar can identify potential targets through wide-range scanning and imaging. Mounted with laser scaler, Chasing M2 Pro can measure the length of underwater objects in real time, quickly and efficiently. Chasing M2 Pro is your lightweight, easy to use, and reliable industrial-level underwater ROV.